Exciting things happening. First of all, I got promoted. I just bought my first condo. A trip to London and Ireland. A wild ride I've been on. Tuesday, bought a condo, riding high, International Women's Day, feeling good. They accepted. So I officially own a 2-bed, 2-bath condo downtown Kelowna, all by myself. Thursday, get laid off. Blindsided, crazy. Collapsed the deal because I don't know when I'm coming back to work. Plan is I'm gonna cancel my Ireland and London trip, which I'm like not looking forward to telling Laura and Aaron that. The universe is clearly has other things in store for me, another plan, and I'm just trusting it and I'm leaning into it and I'm okay with it. I am taking 50 million steps back away from real estate investing and trying to find a place to put roots down or ground or rent out and make an income that way. It's this process I learned a lot, and I feel I feel more educated definitely than I was before. It's clearly not the way for me. I've always been saying that from the start, like I want an alternative lifestyle, but then, you know, you're in the rat race. I live in Canada, a very Western country, and you think like this is what I should be doing to make money or make more, or you have a place, security, whatever. Something like this happens and it's like, nope, you're cut from a different cloth, sister, honey. Now all my savings I still have, and I have a very healthy savings account. Like I'm not gonna be financially strapped. I don't feel stressed out about having time away from work or anything like that. I'm really looking forward to it. A nice sabbatical. I feel like my options are wide open and endless at this point, and now I just don't even know where to go. And to be honest, my eyes and ears are always open to digital nomad work, to remote work, to getting into a completely different industry, you know, to working less, having more of a life-work balance blend, being somewhere hot and warm, curing my psoriasis. I never know what could happen. Maybe I'll meet some fucking lover or my soul partner, and that's it. Pack. And it's not going well. I have so much stuff, so many outfits, so many things I really think I need, even though I've backpacked Nicaragua and Costa Rica in like almost like a kid's school book backpack before. And then I backpacked Thailand and Bali and Australia before in a huge backpack and like a roller suitcase thingy. And I have way too much. So I've gone through my entire wardrobe and closet and narrowed down things that I would like to have. Like if I had unlimited space, I pulled out everything that I think I would be nice to have. But now that I have it all laid out and I have my backpack and my roller carry-on and all my packing cubes out, now I'm going to organize again, figure out exactly what I am going to take, what I can eliminate, and then try and roll everything up and make it work. The biggest thing I'm struggling with is jeans. The jeans that I'm going between are these white ones, which I think would be so sick to have on vacation because I rarely wear them at home. And these ones are so fun too. They're like such a hot weather summer jean, and I just got them with like your classic blue jean, and then it's got the frayed hem, so it's a bit shorter, so it looks good with like flat Nike runners or high heels. Or do I take like a black skinny jean for nights? I did it. This is all I'm taking. Backpack, carry-on, and then I'll wear this. Day 4. Day 4 of my sabbatical, and I am just getting into Vernon. It was very gloomy and doomy and rainy and foggy and cloudy the whole time, but then of course once I arrive in the Okanagan, peaks of sunshine and blue sky. This is such a magical place here. First things first, car wash, always number 1. I'm gonna rip to Kelowna for my spray tan. Girls' night tonight, which is exciting because the last time I was home here and had a girls' night, I still was not drinking. but I'm drinking again. So there's gonna be some wine. Level 4 though, already so tan, and usually this takes 5 hours to fully process. So like tomorrow and tonight and tomorrow I'm gonna be Nigerian. I can't wait. Oh my god, I gotta get out of these pants though. These jeans are so tight, it's gonna fuck my tan up. I've arrived at the House of the Rising Sun in Vernon. Jess picked out this little Airbnb for her and I for our little girls' night. So you just come in up the stairs here. It's a little 1-bed, 1-bath place. It's really well done though. And she has our favorite back to earth products throughout the house. Love this stuff. This is local to Vernon. Nice little fireplace. We got some fish on the TV. A desk. Kitchen. I already got some wine chilling in here, but Jody left us her favorite cider. So I'm sure we'll crack into that. Pear. Yeah. And then just a nice view of the field out here. So it feels kind of like you're not really in town, even though we are. Nice little balcony. And then the bedroom here. And this is what I was wondering too, washer and dryer, which is perfect because I'm gonna have to do a little bit of laundry before the next part of the adventure. Just found the perfect sunset spot. And I had no idea that this was here in Vernon. It's like I'm on top of this big rock and it's called Black Rock Park, and then there's like a little skate park, but it's dirt, so like for bikes, like little tiny bike park. Look at this. Wow. Ready? Yep. We all are. Yay. Just morning here in Vernon, and I had a great night with Alana and Jess last night. All the wine, we played lots of cards, listened to music. It was just perfect girls' night. And then look where I found this little one. There she is. Can I make you a coffee? I would love a coffee. Hey Alexa, turn on smooth jazz. Some horses? Yeah, like there's like a big... Tamara's horses? Sabbatical day 5, across the USA border. About 30 kilometers to Soyuz. That's where I'm going to be crossing today. I'm feeling so emotional, like I don't know why. The music is just on point. Sun, the lake, the water, beautiful cliff mountains. Away from work, more free I become. It's just an overwhelming emotion. It's all good, it's all positive. And then maybe, you know, I've thought about Aaron a few times today, and I've also thought about Miles a few times today. And then I've just thought about like my versions of me in the past, different moments in my life. Now this one, because it feels like I'm embarking on another rendition of my life, another adventure, just another like really great meaningful part. So all happy, all good. Should be in the US of A in 45 minutes. I did it. I'm in the USA.